Oh, hey guys, Josh from Upgrade Workshop. How you going? Something different for this time around. Yes, we do go on four-wheel drive trips and we put those videos up, but I think it's time we started showing the things we do as well. Over here we've got a 2003 Nissan Navara. It's a d22 3-litre. Customer brought it in for a clutch kit. But before we put it up on the hoist, we wanted to take it for a drive to see how bad the clutch was. I mean, we're going to replace it anyway, but we also wanted to see if there's any other issues on the car before we go ahead. And Rick took it out for a drive. You've noticed a bit of clinking in the front, you know, and we put it up on the hoist. Sure enough, we found upper control arm ball joints and the bushes were gone on it. You had a lot of play on these tyres. The lower ball joint is also gone, and that's on both sides. So he quoted the customer up on the actual job. He said go ahead with it. So here we are, we started ripping everything out. We've ordered all the parts. They should be coming whether it's today or Monday. Till then, we thought strip the whole thing down, get it ready, and check out anything else that needs to be replaced if it needs to. Obviously you can see the wear and tear on the tyres because the cam is actually out because the ball joints were moving so much. It was just ridiculous playing them. So obviously it's going to be up for new tyres as well. Some people might say, why waste your time on a Navara? Well, I'll tell you why. They're bloody good cars. People have, like, everyone's got favourites, yeah? Some people like patrols, some like their Land Cruisers, 80 series, 76, 79 series. But this customer in particular, and myself, I've got a Navara myself, we actually like the Navaras and we think it's worth spending the money on. So it's not a matter of, is it worth doing it? It's the customer wants it done. We're going to do it. So keep watching and see what else we do. Well, as you can see, come across something small where this bracket has snapped off the actual exhaust. Two ways about it. You either replace the back end of this, which is just going to cost money for no reason. What we'll do is put that back into position and give it a nice weld. And that's it. No need to bring up more expensive for the customer. He's already paying big bucks to get other things fixed. So it's only fair that we look after him. Alright, funny, clutch is out. As you can see, worn pretty bad. If you have a look at the pressure plate here, you can see all the burn marks. This needs to be machined. Sorry, not machined, what am I saying? The flywheel's got to be machined. This is going to be replaced. This one, along with this, which we are waiting for. You come over here and have a look at the flywheel. Alright, right here. Now this has got to be taken off. We've got the last bolt to take out. And then we've got to send this off to get machined. So this pretty much comes nice and flat, all even. See all the burn marks in there. We've got to get rid of all that. That's all a lot of glazing and so on. So we can't actually put the new clutch in there with this, the old flywheel, simply because you'll get all slip and slides and you'll pretty much get the same concept as how it was before you actually took it off. So that comes off, we'll take it off, send it off to get machined. Hopefully when it comes back, we put that on together with the new clutch, and it'll be a heavy duty one. Alright, just a little update on what we've done. Now the upper control arms, we're about to just take this one off. We took the other side off already. As you can see how bad these are. Yeah, we took the bottom ball joint out already. So everything's disassembled, ready for the new ones, I guess. So when they come in Monday morning, hopefully, that's when we'll start smashing it out, putting it all in, and hopefully the customer will be driving away nice and happy. Tight. So have a good one. Okay, finally we have the correct pressure plate that just arrived. So we're about to put that on right now. That goes like that, and you got the guide as well, and beautiful. All right, let's put it on. All right, we got the clutch in, the pressure plate on. Now we're just trying to adjust it to get it straight, so we can then tighten all the bolts, and that side of it's done. So till then, we'll see you again. All right, we just put the Gearbox up, lined it up. We're just going to throw a couple of bolts in there just to hold it in place so we can get it sitting in properly. And hopefully then we'll start dressing it up and finishing up, I guess. Okay, our upper control arms have arrived as well. As you can see, a brand new one with brand new ball joints and your bushers. Going straight into the car, that's the first one. Now we're going to try to put it all back together. As you can see, the lower ball joint is also being replaced. Brand spanker. And yeah, hopefully that should do the job. Thank you. Okay, just a quick update on what we've done. Upper control arms, obviously done, with the brand new ball joints and the bushers. The bottom one is, again, as I mentioned before, earlier. We also did the sway bar links. As you can see, we'll put the nice dollar there. We're seeing it deteriorating. This wasn't really part of the quote. But because we've gone so far, we just thought, you know what, just chuck in these dollar bushers as well, just to finish it off. It's only fair that, you know, it gets done. And also, we've noticed, as I showed you on the video before earlier, as you can see that, that bracket's actually snapped off from the exhaust here. So we're just going to zap that up for him as well. As I said, this is not an extra charge that we normally will do, only because we do understand how the customers, how hard it is to earn money, and it's only fair that we'll look after people, as we will like to get looked after as well. So there you have it for now. I'll show you a bit later when we put the wheels on, drop it down and see how it all turned out. But I'm pretty sure the customer should be happy. All right, over and out. I'll see you later. Hello. Okay, the car is finally finished. We took it for a test run. Runs beautifully. All the ball joints and bushers doing their job as they should. The clutch is fantastic. The 4-terrain clutch kit, heavy duty. Do recommend it actually. If I need to do my one next, definitely what I'll use. Yeah, so all done, and hopefully the customer is happy. I'm pretty sure he will be. We did a few extras that we didn't actually charge for, which, you know, doesn't really faze us. It doesn't worry us. As long as the customer's happy, that's all we care about. We know that he'll return. So yeah, that's it from us. So please subscribe, like, and we'll be doing more of these videos coming up, like in the workshop. And yeah, and we will have a new 4-wheel drive video coming up very soon, in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, keep tuned, subscribe, follow us, like, comments, whatever you like. Okay, take care. Bye bye.